Hello everyone. Today I bring one new video which is this one. Which one is how to back off and recovery in Windows Server, right? So we have a a Windows Server here, right? So this is our Windows Server. Let me put here that manager, server manager, right? So this is our Windows Server, right? So and we have a Active Directory, everything is here loaded already, right? So in this Windows Server has its own backup and recovery feature. So we don't have to use third party backup tools, right? So how to do that? So how do we recover, how do we back up, how do we schedule a backup? So that things I'm going to teach here. Okay, so this is very important and good video for administrator level job. So that's why I'm going to do that. Okay, this backup feature is only for this is a feature only, not other roles, but in a feature, right? So we have to go to add roles and feature here. But before that we need some backup like this, this backup. So how do we add this backup drive? Because when we have in our this Hyper-V manager, so we have only directly we made this kind of server, right, directly. But how do we add so this kind of backup driver? So how to do that? So for that I made already one video which is here, right? So this one, so how to add and drive VMware Hyper-V. So this one I already add in my channel. So this is my channel, right? So AK Shrestha, AK Shrestha blog, I mean in a blog. So you can go here and check this part. So you can see how to make that drive, so this kind of drive, how to make this one. So I will keep that link. I will keep this link in this description. So you can go and see that and you can make this drive. Okay, so I have I just created there just one drive, but you can do that, make a two drive. I hope many people know about that. So go to a disk management here, right? Just you can shrink that. Okay, so because before I made just otherwise you can do a two drive like this 50-50 drives, or you can make a two drive, one drive, and go here and just shrink the volume. Okay, so you can make a two drive. I made a E and F to backup, backup one, backup two. Okay, so why I make this one? So that's for the testing purpose here, right? So what I do, I just want to keep here some document. This one I just copy cut, and I want to it's okay. So I'll keep here. I keep here. So this documents here. So here is some files, right? See here some files, and picture here also. So something here. So these are documents, right? So we want to back up this documents. So suppose this is a share folder. Suppose you can write here this is a share folder. Okay, share folders, something like that. Okay, so this share folder, everyone using this one, right? So how do we back up this one? So we can do that, or you can back up whole drive also. Okay, disk also. So we just going to back up this one. So how to do that? So I will show you here, because we have this server manager has, I mean DC also has its own feature that I'm going to use that and show you that. Okay, first of all I already mentioned that, right? So you have to make your this drive. Okay, so it's easy to this one, just make this one, and for that I put that a link in my this video link description. Okay, Okay, first of all, I'm going to add this role, right? This one here, and go to like a next, and that here just like in go next. This is just go next, and here you don't have to do anything. This is a role, right? We need just feature because this Windows Server has that feature. Okay, go next and go all the way down here, all the way down, and check here like Windows Server Backup, this one. Okay, just click this one and next, and just install this one. Okay, so this will take a little bit time, so wait until that time. Okay, so okay, so this installation is done right now, right? This is finished already. I'll go to close this one now. So what I do, I will go to like tools here and go all the way down here. See here, Windows Server Backup, right? Just click this one. We have to configure right now. So I will go here and make a little bit like this size. Okay, so easy to like see. Okay, make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, so here I already did some backups, so I just want to like test before, right? So first of all, what I do, so you have to do just right click here or schedule backup, once backup and recovery. Okay, so I will show you these three here and how to do that, so you can do that. Okay, so you can go from here or here, same. Okay, here is also like a same. So if you don't want to like go from here, you can go from here. Okay, just click here, schedule backup, right? Backup is schedule, and modify stop backup, right? See here, so just go and next. And here if you have like first of all go to like a choose here, but like we need like customize, right? So we don't need to like whole backup, server backup, right? So that's why I'm going to customize this one and just go next. And here I just want to like just remove this one, right? Okay, so because that I did before, so that's why it's come over there. I just go to add here, and what I said before, so I need to back up only like my, where is that, what is that, my oh, share folder here, sorry, share folder, right? This share folder we need a backup, right? You can back up everything. Okay, you can back up everything, no problem. So I just want to because I don't want to make a video long, so it's everything like the same. Okay, so okay, somebody every our whole this is suppose like 100 gigabyte like backup folder. Okay, so you want to like back up this one in the schedule. Okay, backup schedule. So for that, just select this one and just okay. Okay, this one is come here, right? And then go for the next. And here once a day or more than one time, I mean like you can do this backup schedule. Suppose my time is right now is 7:34, but like I want to like back up this one. This one is like I didn't change that here, so that's why. So you can go for here like backup after 5:40. Okay, 5:40, something like that. So if you want to put that time here, or 5 o'clock, right, something like that, you can do that. Or sorry, five, not a five, okay, 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. You want to like back up that. Okay, or you want to do here, so you can put here like a multiple time here. Okay, schedule time 9 or or 11, right? So something like that you can put here, or 11 p.m. or 11, something like that, like this you can put here too. But I want to do just like once a backup day, just one time, right? 6 p.m. because my watch is here, so that I just put here, right? So next, right after that, and here you have to choose backup to volume. So this one, because we are using the like in volume, right? So that's why, because here is two volume here, right? So that's why backup to volume. Okay, and next, and keep current destination, modify the storage destination. Okay, just I want to choose this one next. And here I want to remove this one first. I want to add here, remove, add where. So you want to backup one and backup two. Here we have a two drive, right? See here, so you can choose any. So let's choose the like E. Okay, backup one. So we want to keep that backup in E drive. Okay, so and then go next. and see here, this one is came here, right? This is a backup, this is our backup item, right? Finished. It takes a little bit time here. So see, you have is successfully modified the backup setting, right? Your first backup will be happens 6/27/24 6 p.m., right? This date I just made this date. Okay, close, and you can see here this one. See, okay, so that is a schedule already. So this is a, like, I did, like, little bit like earlier, right? So that's why this one is come here, right? And this one is like, next backup will be like at this time. See here, this one. Okay, so this will not happening anything right now here, because see here, nothing, right? But after 6 o'clock, so this will come here. Okay, next one. So next one is backup once. So let's see, backup would do the backup once that. Okay, so I want to go to here like one more time, backup once, right? Is schedule backup? No, difference option, right? So because schedule backup we already did that, so let's like do the backup. Okay, backup a difference one, the option. So next, and file server here, so no, we don't need to do like the file server, full server, sorry. And this is a custom store, custom type, we have to choose, right? Next, and here you should have to like add items. Okay, which item is that? So is a share folder, right? Share folder. Okay, I will go one more here. Okay, just two. Okay, these two I'm going to like backup, or you can do one more here, suppose public backup also. Okay, I did three. Okay, okay, so these three I want to backup. Okay, because we are going to do like a once backup, right? So next, and local drivers or remote here, you have to choose one of them. Okay, because we have just like local right now, right? So we don't have like a remote share folder, so that's why I want to choose the like this local driver, right? If you have like a remote share folder in your company, so you can use this one. Okay, just click next, and here backup destinations, right? So which one you want to use? So I want to go to like an EF. Okay, in F we have to like backup that. Okay, so next, and just backup now. Okay, now you can see here, here this time, right? See time here 5:39, this is 5:39 p.m. backup successful, right? See, disk C, this is complete, right? So everything is complete, status also complete. Just close. Let's like test this one. Okay, let's go and see there. Okay, is that like backup or not? So this one is a C, 5:39 is successfully backup here. Let's see here. So which one is our backup? F drive, right? Check it out here. Windows image backup. See, disk, here is a backup, right? It's your backup file here. Okay, so let's try to like because we said like we backup that, right? So let's try to uh, delete that files, right? This E, right? So this one and share folders and this one, right? I just want to cut this one, right? And I just want to keep here. Okay, so I don't want to like totally like do that, but again that is a actual backup is here, right? So that is working or not, so I just want to check, because here nothing, right? These three files, see here, certificate, public data, share folder. Okay, this should become here because we delete from here, right, in the C drive. Okay, let's see. I'm going to recover right now here. See, it's recover or not. So let's see that. Okay, so just click recover here, right? And then this server DC and backup is to another location. No, right? So we have to do in this server, right? So that's why just choose this one and go next. And here is a time, so you should have to just like choose the same thing here. Just don't change anything here. Just next. And file and folder volume, so we have a file and folder, right? So that's why I'm choosing this one. Next, and here is like our three folders. See here, disk, we need to back up available items here, right? So items recover, nothing here, right now. So let's select this one and everything come here, right? We need these three, that's why I just select this one, everything come here, right? Otherwise See, if you choose this server name, so it doesn't make sense here, right? So but choose here, or you can choose like this also, okay, one by one. Otherwise choose this one is easy, so because this one is not giving me like all names. Okay, just choose this one, so everything is come here. Next, and then original locations, another locations. If you want to like another location, you choose here, right? Go for here. You can put that in another location also, but we need in original location, right? So we want to test that, right? So just choose this one and do nothing here, just next. Okay, this three file, right? Let's recover. See here, it's coming completed, already completed, right? So let's close this one and go to here and check it out here. See, just refresh one time if you want. Otherwise, everything is come here, one, right? And this two and three. See, everything come here. So my files are here, right? If you have a like that file here, so suppose here, see, these files are here, and we have this file. Yeah, everything is come here. So in this way, you can, schedule backup, backup once and recover that. So this is a feature of your, server, your DC server, or like your server manager. Okay. So you don't have to like, use the, other, backup tools. So you can do this way also. Okay. Okay, so I already mentioned, right? So I will keep this, this how to add hard drive to VM in Hyper-V. This, one I will copy this one and put that in my, description. Okay, so you can see that and do this one first. After that, go for this one. Okay, so it's very important and you can learn the new thing, today. So that's it. If you like this video, so you can like that. Okay, so I just making these videos for like for the sharing. Sharing is caring, so that's why I'm making this one, right? So that's why I'm making this video. Okay, thank you very much watching this video. Okay, thank you. Bye.